Welcome to our unboxing video. Today, we're going to be unboxing the investigation kit, Leopard Images in a Mirror. When you open your box, you will find that it comes with instructions for materials and preparation. This investigation includes enough materials for 6 groups of students. Supplies in this box include shadow sticks, protractors, mirror stands, tape, measuring tape, leopard figurines, string, and of course, mirrors. Setup for this investigation is quite simple. We'll pull out a protractor, 2 mirror stands, and a mirror. Be gentle when handling the mirror. You'll want to pull up the film before continuing the setup for this investigation. To finish the setup for this investigation, you will insert both mirror stands into the mirror on one side and then place gently on the protractor. Now that setup is complete, your student's goal in this investigation is to use this model to predict what objects will be visible when a person or an animal, such as a leopard, looks at a mirror. The guiding question of this investigation is, what is the relationship between the location of an object and what we can see in a mirror? And there you have it. To access this entire investigation, make sure that you have signed up in the Learning Hub for your free starter plan, and then head to shop.argumentdriveninquiry.com to purchase this kit where you can have more meaningful, rigorous, and equitable instruction materials in your class.